This is a garden, colors come and go, by e.e.cummings. This is a garden, colors come and go. Frail azure flurrying from night's outer wing. Strong silent greens silently lingering. Absolute lights like bath of golden snow. This is a garden, pursed lips do blow upon cool flutes within white glooms and sing of harps celestial to the quivering string, invisible faces hauntingly and slow. This is a garden, time shall surely reap, and on death's blade lie many a flower curled. In other lands where other songs be sung, yet stand they here enraptured, as among the slow, deep trees perpetual of sleep, some silver-fingered fountain steals the world. End of poem.